Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to play word search puzzle. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for word search puzzle. This is a completely free to play game and it is also a great time killer. So download it and open it right now. By playing this game you can also earn money. Now tap on balance and in here you can see that I have $2 on my balance and you can easily exchange on Amazon or cash out via PayPal. Now let's play the game. All you have to do is tap on the level. At the top of the screen, it will show you some words. And then on the box you have some scrambled alphabets. From here you have to find the words that are shown above. All you have to do is find the words and then swipe through the alphabets. And that's how you find words. When your level is completed, you will earn points as well as money. And that's how you can play the game word search puzzle. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.